In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use dynamic dashboards in Salesforce. Understanding how to tailor the visualization of your data to fit different users' needs can significantly enhance the utility of your dashboards. With Salesforce's dynamic dashboards, you can customize these perspectives without having to create separate dashboards for each user. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Salesforce instance. Navigating to the app launcher is your first step. In the app launcher, you will search for and select dashboards. This will take you to a list of dashboards that you have access to. Once in the dashboard section, you will see your list of existing dashboards. Now the focus is on editing an existing dashboard to make it dynamic. Click on edit for the dashboard you wish to make dynamic. This is where you'll see the various properties you can modify. Next, locate the properties menu by clicking on the gear icon. Once there, one crucial feature to adjust is the View Dashboard As setting. This option will dictate who the dashboard is viewed as and has a few interesting capabilities. In this setting, you'll have three main options. The first option is Me. Selecting Me means that the dashboard will display data according to the current user's login credentials and security settings. This is beneficial if you want the viewer to only see their own accessible data, respecting their security permissions. The second option here is Another User. With this, you can specify a different user and every viewer will see the dashboard from this perspective. This is useful in scenarios where you want to standardize the data display across all viewers, perhaps under the view of a manager or department head who may have broader access than individual team members. The third and final setting is simply the Dashboard Viewer. This option enables truly dynamic viewing as it's tailored to the individual's perspective, ensuring data relevance and security adherence. Once you've selected the appropriate View Dashboard As setting for your needs, be sure to save your changes. Always remember to click Save. Now, while you've set the dashboard up, there's one more vital step to ensure everything works smoothly. Sharing. Make sure the dashboard folder containing your new dynamic dashboard is shared appropriately. Users who need to access the dashboard must have access to its folder, otherwise they won't be able to see it. Double check the sharing settings of the folder to ensure everyone who needs visibility can access it. And there you have it, a fully customized dynamic dashboard that can adjust its data presentation based on the user's role and permissions in Salesforce. Embrace these settings to make your dashboards powerful, versatile tools in your Salesforce toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy dashboarding.